Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can connect your Google TV to phone. So let's get started. First things first, head over to the Play Store and search for Google TV. If you haven't installed it yet, hit that install button. And if it's already on your phone, just make sure it's fully updated to the latest version so everything runs smooth. Now let's dive in. Open up the Google TV app and at the bottom of the screen, tap on the devices icon. This is where the magic happens. Before you move on, make sure your phone and Google TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. That's super important or this won't work. Once you're in, your TV should pop up on the list. Go ahead and tap on your device, then hit Cast My Screen. Boom, your phone screen is now mirrored on your TV. Whether it's YouTube, Netflix, photos, or even games, you can now enjoy everything on the big screen. And when you're done, just tap Stop Casting right from the app and you're all set. It's simple, fast, and super cool. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.